If you are wondering if you can recover deleted messages and conversations on Redmi A7 Pro, then the answer is partially yes. So if you decide to delete individual messages, let's say I'm gonna select this message over here, of course I can also select multiple messages, and if I try to remove those messages from that chat, then you can see that it says that this action is permanent, it cannot be undone. So if I delete these messages, they are removed forever, I cannot recover them. And if I try to remove a whole conversation, whole chat, let's say I'm gonna choose this one, if I select it and then use the trash, then it is going to be moved to trash instead of being completely removed forever. So this has been updated some time ago. Now it is possible to recover conversations or chats, but it is still not possible to recover individual messages. I assume it might be added in the future, although of course it is not guaranteed. And if you want to recover those chats now that you have deleted, that are sent to trash, you can tap on your Google account here in the upper right corner, and then you should be able to find the trash option in here. Here we can find everything that has been removed in the last 30 days. You can recover everything at once by using this icon over here, this clock with an arrow, or you can just choose the conversation, you can just simply tap on it and then use that icon, so then only selected chats are going to be recovered. Leave a like and subscribe.